Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally. It means understanding the logical connection between ideas. It is about being active in your thinking process, not just accepting information without questioning it. In everyday life, we are surrounded by information. Some of it is true and some is false. Critical thinking helps us decide what to believe and what to ignore. It is a skill that helps us solve problems, make better decisions, and avoid being misled. Let's look at the basic parts of critical thinking. First is observation. This means carefully noticing what is happening around you. It is about paying attention to details and gathering facts before jumping to conclusions. Second is analysis. This means breaking down the information into smaller parts. Ask yourself, what do I know? Where did this information come from? Is it reliable? Third is interpretation. Try to understand the meaning behind the information. What is the message? Are there hidden assumptions or biases? Fourth is inference. This is where you make logical guesses based on the evidence. You do not just guess blindly. You look at the facts and decide what likely follows. Fifth is evaluation. This means checking the strength of the arguments and evidence. Is the reasoning strong? Are there any weak points or errors? Finally, there is explanation. Once you understand something, you should be able to explain it clearly to others. This shows that your thinking is complete and organized. Critical thinking also involves being open-minded. This means being willing to listen to other opinions and change your mind when better evidence is presented. It also requires being curious. A critical thinker always asks questions and wants to understand more. Why is critical thinking important? In school, it helps you understand subjects deeply. At work, it helps in solving problems and making smart choices. In daily life, it protects you from false news, scams, and bad decisions. Anyone can learn critical thinking. It takes practice, patience, and a habit of asking the right questions. Start small. Next time you hear something surprising or important, don't just believe it. Think about it, ask why, check the facts. That's the first step to becoming a critical thinker.